In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Wise account in India. Wise is a popular platform for sending, spending, and receiving money internationally. And setting up your account correctly from the start will make everything smoother. Keep your phone handy with a stable internet connection and make sure you're using the official Wise app so your details stay secure. Open the Wise app on your mobile. On the welcome screen, look for the register option. This is different from login, which is for people who already have an account. Tap register to begin creating your new profile. You'll be asked for your email address. Enter an email you can access right now and double check for typos, since a verification message will be sent there. After you submit your email, head to your inbox, find the message from Wise, and use the confirmation link or button inside to verify. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or promotions folder. Once it's confirmed, return to the app and tap Next to move forward. Next, you'll choose the type of account you want. Select personal if this is for your own transfers, travel spending, or receiving money. Choose business if you're setting up an account for a company, side hustle, or freelance work. If you're unsure, personal is usually the right place to start, and you can explore business features later if needed. You'll now be asked to select your country or region. Use the search field, type India, and tap on it when it appears. This sets the correct regional options and ensures you see the features and pricing relevant to India. After selecting India, tap Continue, and then tap Next to proceed. You'll be prompted for your phone number. Enter a number you can access immediately, since Wise uses it for security and important notifications. Because you selected India earlier, the country code should be set automatically, so you only need to enter your mobile number. Take a moment to verify the digits are correct to avoid delays. When you're ready, tap Send Code. Wise will send a one-time verification code by SMS. Keep that code private and watch for the message to arrive. If it doesn't come through right away, ensure you have network signal and that your phone isn't blocking unknown senders. And that's the essential setup. You've initiated your Wise account in India, verified your email, chosen the right account type, set your region to India, and linked a reachable phone number. From here, the app will guide you through any remaining prompts so you can start using Wise with confidence.